What's wrong, honey?
Turkey.
Hey!
Put him down. Dean, just put her down.
Hey! No.
Don't be nice to her.
Hi,
She's
he
jealous.
wants too.
Dean,
What?
the turkey's jealous. You gotta pick her up.
Oh boy, hurry up. Better.
They run so funny. Dean, Luna's inside laying us an egg. Yeah, she's in the coop.
I want tea.
You want to see her?
Yeah, I want tea her.
Gotta open the coop. Don't touch her. Give her space. Okay, look, you saw her laying an egg. Come on now.